Ever wondered how to pinpoint the true value of a property with laser-like accuracy? Today, we're diving into Batchleadas, a powerful tool to perform property comparisons. A crucial step for accurate valuation and smart real estate decisions. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Batchleadas platform. Your journey begins by searching for the property you want to value. You can use an address, owner's name, or even a parcel ID. Once you've found your target property record, examine its key characteristics. Pay close attention to details like square footage, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the year it was built, and the lot size. This forms the foundation for your comps. Now, the magic happens with Batchleadas' search functionality. For comparable properties, look for an option to find similar homes in the area. Batchleadas will then intelligently filter properties based on proximity and key features. Batchleadas presents a curated list of potential comparables. You'll see properties that are geographically close and share similar attributes to your subject property. Review these carefully, noting their sales dates, sale prices, and their own key features. For each potential comp, verify its relevance. A recent sale is always best, and the condition of the comparable should be as close as possible to your subject property's condition. Batchleadas helps you identify these crucial details quickly. Batchleadas often provides a visual comparison tool. This allows you to easily see how your subject property stacks up against each comparable. Note any significant differences that might affect value, such as recent renovations or a larger yard. Based on the selected comparables and their sale prices, Batchleadas will help you arrive at a valuation range. You can often adjust weighting factors or see how specific comps influence the overall estimate. This objective data is invaluable for setting sale prices, making offers, or advising clients. By systematically using Batchleadas for property comparisons, you gain the confidence of leveraging accurate data for informed decision-making in any real estate transaction.